So yeah, hello everyone. I am Sucheta Chitale and I come along with an experience of 13 years in IT industry. All of it is relevant to performance testing. In these past 13 years, I have got an opportunity to work in different domains like cloud computing, telecom, digital web platforms, oil and gas, IoT recently. Yeah, so basically, I like to explore and implement trends in performance testing and relate it to my current scope of work. Yeah, that's about me. Thank you.
I myself Pradipta Biswas and I am based out in Kolkata. Okay, and I have over 10 plus of years of experience in performance testing all over industry trend you can say. And mostly I work on different domains like retail, like telecommunication, and currently you can say the IoT sections as well as the infrastructure domain as well. So I also like to passionate about the exploring the things in our testing industry, okay, as well as the precisely in the performance testing area. Okay, so how new tools have been implemented, how that can be added, value added for our customers, okay, and that also precisely come to our company's background and all. So that is basically especially interest of my side, as well as it will value added for my career as well. So I wanted to exploring these things slowly and gradually. And I also want to people who are in working with us for our team members, so they also can sharing the knowledge of the same thing and they can grow up alongside with me. Yeah, that's small about myself, you can say.
Yeah.
So for that, actually, definitely first our motto is like, what is our tagline? That is basically IoT performance testing. Navigate to the performance testing. So for IoT world, so first customer, our target customer is basically who are implementing or going to use or keen interest about the IoT world or IoT testings or IoT devices. So what is Internet of Things? The network connected to the devices. That's what we are known, because currently we are using EVs. Okay, we are using Alexa, right? So we have using in iPhone, you can say the series and all. So for that, the vehicles and other electronic device that are collected in exchange of the data. Okay, and a typical IoT system consists the application, networks, database, and sensors. So this unique ecosystem that poses previously unspeculated challenges to the testing process and guidance. So just look onto the list of product protocols that we have to using for these devices. We can say QoP, XMPP, ZigBee, MQTT. Okay, so these are the protocols that we have been using. So the main reason why the IoT load and performance testing is different in that involved multiple components and endpoints, all unique and independent entitles that have been to work tandem without the compromising the performance, speed, and accuracy, and you can say scalability. Okay, hardware performance, interface performance, and the network performance are the few parameter for this IoT testing, you can say. So it is very much important, and it is very much people can know who are keen interest on that, the how those areas can be explored with the performance testing. Where is the bottleneck and what were going to be a bottleneck in future for if there is a load in particular of the system, or you can say network traffic in the system in the IoT area. Okay. So it's a small. So I'm giving just a small area, small perhaps of this situation. So that's, I think. So Suchita, if you want to add anything, you can add.
Okay, yes, sure. So, yeah, similar to what my co-author just said, Pradipta, about our topic, which is navigating IoT performance testing landscape. So, as he said, IoT is becoming an integral part of our activities that we do on our life. We use smartwatches, Alexa. So, IoT now has the potential to transform the way we work and the way we can improve our productivity in various sectors and in various industries. So while IoT is like a complex network of devices, data, there's interconnected network. So we as testers, basically performance testers, need to be sure that the performance is not impacted. So how can we actually go into this entire mesh of network devices, and what are the things that we need to look into for performance testing? What are the different protocols that Pradipta mentioned, how they are different from the usual traditional performance testing protocols? So basically we'll touch base upon these factors along with few interesting examples. And I think the target audience could be any tester, because we are going to start with the basics of IoT, like what is IoT, and then build it up slowly to take it to performance testing. So I think even anyone who's not done performance testing in IoT will at least get what to will at least get some points, to grasp from this session. That's what we are trying to do.
Basically, if you say the day-to-day motivation, definitely the Swami Vivekananda ji, that is my motivation. So I definitely follow the path of that he shown us to. So I always believe on the hard working, definitely, and it could be never good to be a straightforward. Okay, and learning the things, keeping with the peoples. Okay, if you learn something, if you can do something, you cannot do alongside. You require the team. Okay, so teamwork definitely being there. So these things is daily day to day basis, if you say. So I personally these things motivate me to do in my future and every day, so that I can learn new things, I can go positively, okay, and flawlessly with the days, with the Surya Pranam and all that. Yeah.
Yeah. So, very closely to what my career is, like I am a performance tester. So performance improvement is something that I look on day-to-day basis in all walks of my life, like whether it could be like my career or anything that I do daily. Just strive hard to achieve a bit of performance improvement step by step daily. What I also do keep a practice is, have short term and long term goals. So owning up those goals is what makes me like, wake up and get started that, okay, this is what I have to achieve. And like all in all, I think it just boils down to your family and your society and the closeness you have with them. So I think so basically, spending quality time with them. And to do that, what are the other things that I need? So I think it usually revolves around that. Apart from that, what one thing I'm very passionate about is giving back to the society. So apart from my, usual work, this is something like volunteering or helping out the people. And as I'm saying this, it's not like needy people, it's like helping out people in your daily walks of life. So that's what I really like and enjoy. That's what keeps me going.
My hometown is in Siliguri. Okay, it's near in Himalayas. Okay, you can say. So the specific, you can say the main thing, if there is a sky is clear, you can see the Kanchenjunga in from my house itself. Okay, so if you in the morning wake up and you can see the Kanchenjunga in the sunrise time, so it will give you the rays. Okay, they give you the rays for the positivity to do your confidence and give you work, more and living your life larger than life. So this is the motivation, you can say. This is the path that I can every day get from my locality, you can say my birthplace. Okay, so I can definitely strive to go for my workplace and keep this thing sharing with the people that I have. And I definitely want that people around me, they also can do and come and see the Himalayas like that way and get the things can come back from that side.
Yeah. So my hometown is Pune. I've been born, brought up, and now I'm settled in Pune itself for good. So, I have a very strong connection, being, done all my life. I've been here, of course, base location here, and if work calls, then I do have to travel. But then what I love about Pune is like it's nestled in smaller hills, not Himalayas, but yeah, beautiful Sahyadri Hills. And it's a perfect blend of culture, it has history, and it has a very strong IT hub as well. There are a lot of people flowing in, and there's a lot of modernization slowly happening as well in Pune. So, you get a bit of everything here, and that's what I also try to do, just grasp a bit of everything and yeah, raise it a bit higher in your life. So, yeah, all the things I love about Pune.